Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the postgraduates as well as the undergraduates guys. But because here the one of the university is offering the recruitment notification for the postgraduates with some experience as well as the UG or the PG freshers. Okay. And the candidates who are having the PG with some experience, then you are going to get 35,400 rupees per month, and the UG or the PG freshers you will get 21,700 rupees per month. Okay. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications guys. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And please give me one like for this video guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here in the Times of India on 30th June 2021, that means just today itself, we got this paper advertisement guys. Recruitment of non-teaching positions. Applications from eligible, qualified and experienced candidates are invited for the following non-teaching positions. So junior admin officer, regular or the contract. Junior assistant admissions, regular or the contract. And the applications must be submitted in the prescribed format through email at the recruitment@lnmiit@min.c.in on or before July 12th, 2021, and hard copies must reach by July 14th, 2021. And if you want to get the further details, then you have to go through this official website. Okay, I will show you all the details on the official website guys. So before going to the details, the application procedure is, here you have to submit the prescribed application format to the mail ID, as well as you have to send the hard copy also. Okay, both these two you have to do. So submitting the mail is July 12th is the last date. Submitting the hard copy is July 14th is the last date. And then here we will go into the official website of this one, the LNMIIT, Institute of Information Technology. So in this one, here we got these recruitment notifications guys. Junior admission officer and junior assistant admissions. Here the detailed information, job description, application form, all these things are given here. After going through the details, then we will discuss about the application form guys. First we will check about the detailed information regarding the junior admission officer. Okay, just click on this one and then you will be directed to the this PDF guys. Okay, junior admission officer. It is this notification from the Jaipur. Actually, it is mentioned that regular or the contract. Okay, so the LNM Institute of Information Technology inviting the applications from eligible, qualified and experienced candidates. And as we already saw, email ID July 12th and hard copy July 14th. The name of the institute, type of the institute is deemed to be university. Name of the post is junior admission officer, and the 6th level you are going to get. Type of the appointment is regular or the contract, and the basic per month. Okay, for regular employment, the basic pay is the 35,400 rupees. Okay, and while coming to the educational qualification experience, they mentioned here MBA from a reputed university or institute in the regular mode. Second one, bachelor's degree in the engineering from a recognized university or institute in regular mode. Minimum 3 years of experience in the relevant discipline. That means, first of all, you must have the BTech or bachelor's degree in engineering plus MBA qualification plus 3 years of experience. Okay, and while coming to the skills required is proficiency in usage of MS Office or other relevant software, and fluency in written and verbal communication skills in English and Hindi. And the desirable mentioned here should be flexible with working hours, knowledge of digital marketing and the knowledge of ERP. Age limit is preferably below 35 years. Okay, and relaxation in experience will be at the discretion of the institute. Deserving candidates with suitable experience may be considered for the higher pay. Okay, for contractual employment, a fixed emolument per month will be paid, but for the regular employees, you are going to get the basic pay as 35,400 rupees per month, and you will get the 7th, as per the 7th CPC, you will get the level 6 payment. Fine. And while coming to the next one is junior assistant. Okay, we will see the detailed information regarding this junior assistant, guys. So click on that one and then you will be directed to here. So we will check out the qualifications here. So here the level is 3 and basic pay is 21,700 rupees per month. Education qualification is either bachelor's degree in engineering or master's degree in science from a recognized university or institute in the regular mode. That means any bachelor's degree in engineering, any master's degree in the science. Okay, so then you may apply for this one, guys. No need of experience and all these things under the essential category. The skills required are proficiency in usage of MS Office, proficiency in written and verbal communication in both English and the Hindi. Desirable is 2 years of relevant experience, should be flexible with working hours and the knowledge of ERP. Age limit is preferably 27 years, guys. Okay, and the interested candidates has to apply through this provided mail ID. Fine. So these are the 2 notifications. Okay, so I think so many candidates may be applicable under this category. Okay, master's degree in the science, so many candidates will cover under this category. So the interested candidates, without doing any late, then try to apply as early as possible, guys. And the job description for junior admission officer, okay, click on that one. Then the details will be downloaded in the PDF. Okay, you may check down here. Okay, so admissions. So what are the key activities you have to do? And the qualifications already we saw, but you have to check only the key activities. Managing the entire admission process. Okay, handling the admission related queries, manage onboard activities of newly admitted students. Okay, and while coming to the junior assistant admissions, what is the role of the job duties? Support in the management of the entire admission process, handling the admission related queries, maintain records related to the admission office. Okay, so and while coming to here, if you click this one application forms, you will get, guys, download the application form, fill up the details, scan them, and after scanning attach few relevant documents if necessary and mail them to the provided mail ID, okay, within the given date. And also you have to send the hard copies also to the college address before the last date. Okay, guys, so these are the complete recruitment details regarding this one. So most of the candidates may apply for this one. Why? Because master's degree for MBA and while coming to the junior assistant admissions, okay, any bachelor's degree in engineering, any master's degree in science, you can apply, guys. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.